Introducing the Complete Risk Assessment Toolkit, your comprehensive solution for streamlined risk management and regulatory compliance. This powerful toolkit provides an 8-step framework for thorough risk assessment, complemented by 7 professional templates. It's an all-in-one framework and template system, meticulously aligned with industry standards like NIST and ISO. Included is a 22-page PDF framework and 7 Notion templates, such as the Asset Valuation Matrix and Vulnerability Assessment. You'll also find a Control Assessment Matrix, Risk Treatment Plan, Risk Register, Category Impact Assessment, and Risk Prioritization Matrix. Bonus resources include risk heat maps, calculation formulas, decision trees, and comprehensive checklists. This toolkit is essential for security professionals, compliance officers, IT managers, GRC teams, and consultants. Benefit from a structured framework and standardized templates built on NIST 800-30 and ISO 27005 standards. Enjoy fully customizable, Notion-based templates designed for seamless team collaboration and instant delivery. Empower your organization with the Complete Risk Assessment Toolkit for efficient decision-making and robust security.